Alright guys, today we talk about old time rock and roll, the B part, the comping, and the C part, the solo. Let's take a look now to the comping part. We have three chords, G, C and D. For the G chord, I'm on the 6th string and 5th string, index and ring finger, on the 3rd fret and 5th fret. 2 bars. Then I go to C chord, so I go down 1 string. And then I go on D, 5th fret and 7th fret. And back to the G. And I close on D. So now guys, I will play slowly the comping part. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. After the B section, guys, we go straight into the solo part. So ring finger on the 4th string, 5th fret, with a little bit of slide, and then with the index I press 3rd string and 2nd string on the 3rd fret with a little bit of bending, like a quarter of bending, so 3, 4. Then with the ring finger on the 3rd string I slide to the 7th fret. And I play 3rd string, 7th fret and 2nd string, 6th fret. So. So I repeat till here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then, with the middle finger, I slide on the 3rd string, let's say from the 7th fret to the 9th fret. And with the index, 1st string, 8th fret. So again, same thing, slide to the 7th fret, and index on the 1st string, 6th fret. So I repeat this part, 3, 4. From the beginning till here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. I slide from the 7th fret, 3rd string with the middle finger, to the 5th fret. And then with the ring finger, 1st string, 5th fret. So I repeat these sixths, so intervals of sixths. 3, 4. And then I slide from 5th fret, 3rd string and 5th string, to the 3rd fret, still 3rd string and 5th string. So again, 3, 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then index on the 3rd string, 3rd string, 3rd fret, 4th fret, and then 1st string, 3rd fret. So 3, 4. And then bending on the 3rd string, 5th fret. We have this very tasty lick, rock blues lick. So 1, 2, 3, 4. One and 2 and 3 and 4. So let's take a look to this last lick. Bending on the 3rd string, 5th fret, index on the 2nd string, 3rd fret, again bending on the 3rd string, 5th fret, and then I have this very tasty lick. So now, guys, I will repeat slowly this solo part. 1, 2, 3, 4.